I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your mic hardware is primary and audible. Use a USB headset or PC mic. Once connected, set microphone as default on the device and enable PS5 microphone access in settings. Then, launch Phasmophobia and go straight to the in-game audio/voice tab. You need the game to detect the active input before proceeding. Do this now so the game can register voice recognition. This step prevents later device conflicts and saves time. Once done, flip the voice recognition toggle and pick whether you want open mic or push-to-talk. Open mic is faster, but push-to-talk reduces false triggers. Next, calibrate sensitivity. Speak at the volume you will use in-game and lower sensitivity if the ghost reacts too often. Raise it if it ignores you. Make sure the in-game voice meter moves when you speak. This confirms recognition. Practice a couple of test phrases until detection is steady and reliable. To complete setup, join a game and speak short, direct phrases. Clear enunciation helps the recognition engine. If recognition drops, make sure to restart Phasmophobia and reselect the preferred mic in both PS5 and game settings. Often a reselection forces proper device binding. Finally, reduce background noise with headset mute or PS5 chat controls so the game hears only your voice. If problems persist, try switching from open mic to push-to-talk to isolate false positives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.